like it though. It's not super spicy.
6 ice one I had. 14 Riesling ice one. 24
like your
Riesling ice
style?
one. Yeah. Yes, that's what I'm going to say. It's very childish flavor made by my grandfather. Because my grandfather was the only one who cooked for everyone in the house.
Oh, cool. Wait, you lived with your grandfather?
And a grandmother.
Oh, that's cool.
Because they were here. They were like in my hometown to attend my father's wedding. But in the middle, when they want to get back home in very western area in China and car accident. My grandmother cannot sit like normally and take 3 days trains or anything, so they stay. And in my hometown, there's more food for my grandfather. So my grandfather was very happy. he loved
Oh,
fish
that's great.
and do it sweet and sour.
This is really good. So this is a sweet and sour glaze then?
Sweet and sour glaze. Yeah.
It's so much better than what I order if I go out and eat. It's so much better.
And no bone.
Yes,
Easy.
no bone. Easy.
Easy.
On the teeth. Very easy.
Very soft.
Soft.
No bone.
With Pinot Noir.
With
Pinot Noir?
Riesling ice one.
Trust your palate, choose your right wine. Cheers!
Chambliss Riesling is it's the one I can drink now because it's so low alcohol. I don't
Ice
get
one too. I don't
Claire's
feel any
like,
alcohol.
I don't feel anything.
I don't feel anything.
This is delicious, George. Thank you. Actually, with the Cap Franc ice wine, that's a really nice pairing too.
I think a rosé would go, but we are sold out.
Because it was too good.
No, because it's really good pricing. Also,
Pricing.
A little bit spicy.
Come from
Little
ice
bit.
wine?
No, food.
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 Food, I mean, because I'm sensitive to spicy. I don't eat
Little bit.
spicy.
A little
What?
bit.
Little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
You don't feel spicy?
Well, there's
Yeah,
a bit, but
white.
I am white. Yes, that is true.
But it doesn't stick out. The spiciness does not stick out.
Maybe because I eat too many pieces in a row.
I think it's really well balanced. Like
That-
there's spice, but it's more heat rather than
So I need
don't know.
more ice wine.